Here's a great deal on a 2008 Lexus RX 400h. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Lexus prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.